Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. In this session, we will learn how to insert and modify different types of pictures in OpenOffice Writer. Here is the first method to insert an image in text document. These are the different options available to modify an image once inserted in text document, such as border, background, picture, crop, resize, rotate, etc. Let us now open a new text document in OpenOffice. Now, to insert an image, first go to Insert tab and click on Picture and then from File option. Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Select any saved picture from your computer and click on OK button. Selected picture will get displayed in the text document. Let us decrease the size of the picture by dragging the green buttons towards inward direction. Using same procedure, insert another image. Once the image is displayed in the text document, resize it and place it below the first image. Now to modify first image, right click on it and select picture option. Picture dialog box will appear. From here, select Picture tab. Here you will see the two flip option, that is vertically and horizontally, which will flip your image accordingly. Next, we'll open Crop tab. Here you will see the two parameters, Keep Scale and Keep Image Size. Select Keep Image Size. Now, decrease the measurements of all the sides of the image to trim the sides of the image. Once done, click on OK button. Let us now modify second image. For that, right click on the image and select picture option. First select position for the border. After selecting, choose the border style from the style drop down list. Now select color and then click OK button. Border will get applied to your selected image. Now we'll see how to insert drawing objects in OpenOffice Writer. Here are the different drawing objects available, such as line, rectangle, ellipse, free-form line, stars, text, points, callout, black arrow, etc. Open new document and go to View menu tab. From the drop down list, select Toolbar and select Drawing option. Drawing toolbar will appear at the bottom of the window. Using these drawing tools, you can create simple objects like rectangle, circle or ellipse, and other predefined shapes. Just click on the required shape in the drawing toolbar and drag in the blank area where you need to draw the shape. After drawing the object, you can fill it with different colors. For doing this, click on the required shape or objects to which you want to fill color. The image property will appear at the right side of your window panel. From here, you can select whichever color you want to apply to your selected shape. Using image properties, you can even Change selected shape border with border color and border style as shown here. To type the text inside any shape, double click on it. A cursor will appear where you can type the text the way it is shown here. Now let us see how to group or combine these four objects. For this, click on first shape, then press Shift key and then click on all the remaining shapes. All the shapes will get selected. Now right click on the selected area and select Group option. When objects are grouped, any editing carried out are applied to the selected objects at once, such as moving, rotating, resizing or applying colors. To ungroup the grouped objects, first click on it and then go to Format tab, select Group option and then select Ungroup option. After ungrouping, objects will retain their own individual properties where you will be able to apply different formattings separately, such as rotate, resize, colors, etc. Next, we will see different text wrapping options available in Writer. They are No Wrap or Wrap Off, Page Wrap, Optimal Page Wrap, Wrap Through, In Background and Edit Contour. To perform text wrapping, type a paragraph in a document. Now, insert an image by clicking on Gallery button at the right side of the window, or you can also insert a picture by just clicking on Insert tab and select Picture option from your device. In Gallery, you will get different predefined pictures which you can select from any of the folder of your choice. After selecting, insert a picture, resize it as per your requirement using the corner buttons. Now there are three ways to open Wrap option. First is select the picture and go to Format tab and click on Wrap option. Second method is to right click on the image and select Wrap option. And the third way is to double click on picture. A picture dialog box will appear from where you can select required text wrap features, such as here I am selecting Before option. Now place the image over the text. You will see that the text will be placed at the left side and the bottom of the picture. If we select After option, The text will be placed at the right side of the image. In parallel option, the text will be equally divided from both the sides of the image. Let us try remaining options also, like optimal, parallel, in background and wrap through options. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos.